Would you like to add some years to your life? Cece Cheney here, and today we're chatting about 3 proven ways that you can live a longer and healthier life. So, this is obviously a topic that's near and dear to my heart because I have had the unfortunate experience of having lost my parents at, I think, way too young of an age. So I'm always looking at articles and reading about things to learn about how I can be my healthiest, happiest self. And I don't know about you, but you've probably lost someone or know someone who isn't in the best state of health. And sometimes those things can be avoidable when we do certain activities. And so I was reading an article this morning that shared a little bit about some things, some habits that you can start to implement in your life so that you can actually add years to your life. So let's go ahead and dig in. Hey there, thanks for hopping on. So the first habit that you want to add to your life is really protecting your psychological well-being, right? And one of the things that this article was talking about was maintaining close social relationships. There's studies that have been done that talk about people who maintain those close social bonds actually have better psychological well-being and live longer. A lot of those studies of people who live really, really long into old age, one of the protective factors that they have is actually this idea of having close social bonds. So you want to make sure that the people in your lives are actually adding to your life in a positive way. And that's the very first habit that you want to create. Habit number 2, you might guess this one, is drink water. Water is such an important part of our lives, and it's a habit that you want to work on, right? So I've already been through my first cup of water today, and I'm keeping it going, and here's why. Water has been shown to do things like reduce your risk of bladder and colon cancer, as well as keeping your kidneys in good shape. The hydration helps with energy levels, it helps with brain function, maximizes your physical performance, helps prevent and treat headaches. I mean, we could go on and on and on. This is a health habit that will absolutely help you live a better life for sure, but can also help you add some years onto your life if you're willing to make it a habit, right? So get that water in. Number 3, and this one is so incredibly important. And this is really about making it a habit to eat a diverse diet with lots of different fruits and veggies, right? Because fruits and veggies really provide us with the vitamins and minerals we need to be healthy, right? So not only that, they're also a source of a really great source of dietary fiber, which can help you maintain a healthy gut. And we all know how important that gut is. Right? It can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Eating plenty of fruits and veggies have been shown to help reduce the risk of many diseases, including things like heart disease and high blood pressure and some cancers. So if you're somebody who wants to live a long and full life, you want to make sure that you are getting your vitamins and your nutrients from your fruits and veggies, okay? So those are the 3 habits that you really want to implement into your life so that you can live a long and full life. Now, the best way to do that, obviously, is to take care of yourself and implement these healthy habits. Now, if you know that your dietary habits could use some help, they're maybe not as good as they should be, you're not getting the vitamins and nutrients you need to be able to do things like reduce the risk of those diseases and improve your overall health, get energized, have peak performance, go ahead and send me a message, right? I'd be more than happy to share some info with you about some of the supplements that I use that help me to have more energy, that have helped me to feel better, and are helping all kinds of people to really improve their health. If you'd like some information on that, shoot me a message, and I'll be more than happy to send you that info. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.